Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Satiric. This video is the process of how I got to my final thoughts. I recorded this weeks ago, like 2 weeks back that away. And I just completely forgot that I had this footage ready to go, and that I didn't already put it out, ADHD things. Anyway, that's enough talking about what's gonna happen, and yeah, here's the process. Enjoy. Alright, so I've got all the video stuff already set up, figured I might as well go right into it. So this is the second step of this process, but I was surprised to see that there are actually a couple of differences between the MX Keys S and the MX Keys. One of the things being that it has this dictation and emoji button. It also paired with the receiver like immediately, which is really nice. But yeah, these buttons are all relatively the same. Actually, I can just A and B them for you. Oh, it's not even going to show the whole thing, is it? Yeah, whatever. But yeah, there's some extra buttons on this that I wasn't expecting. There's a smiley face button. There's a mute the mic button, which is really nice. And then there's a, what's it called? Dictation button. I don't think this other one, it doesn't look like this other one has them. I am going to just get rid of the illusion of the background not existing because I need to show you stuff. All right, so it's not centered. There's a reason for that. Not explaining that today. Ooh. Okay, so that top row of keys. This is the MX Keys 1S. And notice how these keys down here are, they're split vertically. Right? And I didn't quite like that, but you know, I get it. It's a design choice. Also, this is the Logitech unifying receiver. I know I had, wow, good job focusing. Unifying receiver, I know I had mentioned it in the last video. This is the unifying receiver. This, focus, come on. Go in front of my face. Yeah, there we go. This is the bolt receiver. They're different. They do different things. They connect differently. This is the one that I'm keeping. The bolt one. Yeah, I connected up seamlessly, connected with my mouse quicker and without any issues. It was actually surprisingly easy. But yeah, there's some extra features in here that I really wasn't expecting. So I figured I would have you join me on the process of me learning the rest of this. Let's see. What else has it got? What else does it do? Backlighting keys. Fine tune in the Logi options. That's the thing that I was talking about in the last video that I was like, I need that function because when I'm doing something, watching something, and the brightness is just up, down, constantly, it's kind of, it's distracting for one thing, but like I said, I keep it dim. I don't need this thing, even if the dimmest setting was a little bit too bright. This should be able to either turn it off, change the parameters. Actually, you know what? We'll walk through that today. Let's do that. Low battery. Oh, it also came with 50% battery, which is pretty nice. Good job there. Easy switch. That's the thing that allows you to push 1, 2, or 3, and you can connect it to whatever. I'm gonna have 1 be this main computer. 2 is going to be my Steam Deck. And then 3, 2 might be the server. 3 might be the Steam Deck, but regardless, it's gonna be those. I'll let you know what works out as I test it, which will probably be later in this video. I'm not gonna make a whole ton of videos on this. But yeah, I'll let you know how that works out. I might be doing that today. We'll see. I might just get used to it all at once. You can customize the keys. I didn't mention that in the last one because I didn't talk about software, but yeah, you can customize the what the keys even do. Unfortunately, the picture stays the same, but the pictures on the keyboard themselves, they don't. You'll always know, like, oh, if you change smiley face to, I don't know, take a screenshot or something, or like a video, what you can make it do all sorts of weird stuff. This Logitech software is actually really good. I like it. I'm a fan. This is brightness on the screen. my screen is very weird. It does not work with mine, but that I can change those buttons and do something else. And oh, automation. Oh yeah, macros. They were talking about that. Yeah, this keyboard has macros, which the MX Keys doesn't, but the MX Keys S, it does have macros, which is really cool. All right, so yeah, cool. I'm all set. Let's do it. So this setting right here, backlighting, I did not have at all on the other keyboard, which is why I paid the extra $7 to get this other one. Let's see what the setting has. Oh, okay, here we go. So we can set the backlighting duration. So the whole reason why they have all of these is to help save you battery life. It's supposed to last, I believe it's 10 days is what they were advertising, at least the MX Keys. 10 days on a single charge with the backlight active, or I think it's, don't quote me. I think it's up to it's either 2 months or 5 months. My brain is a little dyslexic. I might have switched the 5 upside down into a 2, vice versa. But it's months, not days. Yeah, makes a big difference. So we have automatic brightness. I don't think I want that. Battery saving mode. Automatically turns off backlighting. That's a good idea. It'll help me know when it's dying. Charges really quick too, by the way, which is nice. Backlighting duration. So the automatic brightness, let's see what that does. Turn that off. Manual brightness. Gotta love it. Does it still use the ambient sensor no matter what though? We're checking right now. Stay lit. I need to wait 30 seconds, I guess. That's the real question, you know? Like I'm trying to figure out if this is gonna be the move or not. Regardless, being able to just have this extra functionality with the macros and the what's it called? Emojis, dictation. Yeah, there's some cool stuff here. So it does fade back out. It's a bit of a shame. Missed opportunity just to have it set as a static brightness. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. If I'm doing something wrong, I will update this video later and fill you in. But yeah, for now, I think this is where I'm going to leave this chunk, and I'll move on into the next one when I have more information. Yeah, we'll see. All right, so it turns out that if you set the backlight duration all the way to the end, you get 30 minutes, and I think that's kind of reasonable, actually. Because then after 30 minutes, it will turn off. So let's say you walk away and you're gone for 30 minutes, it goes away, but if you're using it regularly, the backlight will stay on for 30 minutes. I would imagine that would kill the battery life really, really quick. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but the fact that it always automatically turns off, like this is essentially and functionally what I was looking for. Yeah, no, I think I'm cool with that. Okay. I don't need 30 minutes either, by the way. I think 15 minutes is probably enough. 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Let's go 10 minutes. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. Easy switch. Then I know my name, like I didn't tell you already. Hi, I'm Alex, or Sedentaric, whatever you want to call me. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay. Wait, Bluetooth. That should have connected via the Logi receiver. I'll fix that. Let's do that together. Connected via Bolt receiver, connected via Bluetooth. Okay, let's fix that. I don't know how to do this, by the way. Remove device. Yes. This is not what I was expecting, but let's do it. Remove device. And yes, remove. Swear I just did that. Okay, so second option. As far as I understand it, if you hold down the easy switch buttons, 1, 2, or 3, let's just find out. What do you know? Let's how do I pair this with the... No, not Bluetooth. Dismiss. I want to pair it with the easy switch dongle. Oh, add device. Logi bolt receiver, MX Master 3. Yes. Oh, that's easy. 170. I don't know why I didn't. Right there. I have trouble reading. It is connected and ready to be set up. Set up. Hey, look at that. We're good. I did it. It's done. Backlighting. Do I have any other control with this now? No, it's the same controls. Okay, so that's cool. That was surprisingly painless. I've already gone down 5% in my battery since getting this, but maybe the pairing process takes a bit. I am going to plug it in using the cable that they have given. Charge. Cool. Yeah, I think... Okay, now let's look at what we got here. So keys, we can set these to do whatever we want to do. Calculator, which is really nice. Screen snip. I think it uses the snipper tool, which is like Windows Shift S. I think it's just a hotkey for that. It does work. It doesn't work all the time. I'm not sure quite why. I haven't tried it on this one. I was using the other one. I'll let you know. Let's see, does the brightness... Would have been cool if it worked. Doesn't do anything. So I might change these out for something else. Easy switch, cool. Bolt receiver, there we go. Let's not have that on here twice. Yes, please. Yeah, whatever. I don't need multiple of those set up. It probably just takes a while to refresh. Key off there, but I realize I showed my serial number, and although most people wouldn't do anything with that information, some people could. So I put this in instead. That being said, I did find that I went into Windows settings and then removed the Bluetooth device from there, and it works fine. I tried to update the firmware and it wasn't connecting properly, but I would be amazed if they didn't send it with up-to-date firmware, and I can always figure out how to update it later if I'm doing something wrong on my end. The last one came in fully updated and I didn't need to add anything else in, so I'm feeling pretty solid about that. It's currently charging. I think this is going to wrap us up for this video. I will let you know, not this video, wow, this chunk of this video. I will let you know if everything worked seamlessly connecting to multiple devices in just a bit, actually. I'm going to probably try it out right now. Thanks for sticking to the end. I hope you learned something. I know I sure did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, agree, disagree. Let's engage. I had a good time learning about this keyboard, and I kind of love this keyboard, actually. If you haven't already seen, please check out my final thoughts video. It should be one of these, I'm sure. I think it's... Yeah, I don't know. I'm learning. But anyway, yeah, thank you again. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. I hope you enjoyed.